Drive safe. Can't wait to see your videos.
I know. I get to play with my crystal cubes.
Ah, show us unboxing.
I will.
So just really work with the smaller beads and let it flows for you. I'm gonna do it again. Pixie number 15 yellow sun, and then going to neon orange and peachy. Using the tips, give it a little swirl. Smaller beads in smaller area you work will give you a lot of marble look. Start it again with the 15, which is yellow sun, and then number 7's orange neon, and number 20 peachy. Use the tip of your bristle and then you are just gonna walk along with that. I don't know how that looks, but it looks really good at my end. I'm gonna start again. You can work definitely with a smaller area, a smaller beads. Go a long way. This is one of the way to doing it. Can you see the comment if I miss any comment? And I do it really thin though. So now it's still really wet. I am going to pick up some strawberry. Maybe this, it looks good. Kiwi is really thin. Our Whimsical is so thin that it's so easy for you to work with. You know what? I feel like I want that though. Oh my gosh, banana. Sorry. Just so excited. Oh, I like that. Watermelon. To watermelon. So you can do so many. It's a mixed fruit, so you can do whatever you would like. It's a cantaloupe. It's a banana too.
Damn like kiwi.
Hmm?
Damn like the kiwi.
You like kiwi, Dom? It's really cool, huh? I was like they have the yellow, what they call yellow kiwi. Tastes really good. I do like lime too. Lemon, actually. I've been using a lot of like strawberries. I don't see my other supply of strawberries gone, but I can get more. But by the way, you can add more for your preference. Fruit. We should go and get the strawberry. So now if you're happy with this, just cap it with crystal clear. Oh my god, I couldn't see anyone's comment. Who said really quick that is that Skylar is your favorite food? Fruit is a kiwi and strawberry? Or did I read wrong? So I'm gonna do this nails is a whole nails is a marbling, but it looks like, what is that, like a sorbet, or what do you call this?
Fruit cocktail, fruit soda.
Now I can't even think of it, but you know exactly what I mean. That's so much better. Hold on, I teal the nails down because the gravity will do all the work for us. Teal the nails down. And then use the belly of your bristle and blend it. And our fruit is really thin though, especially using it for nails. So each slide you get is so thin. It's not thick at all. If you can see from the side, it's really, really thin. So especially for the nails. All right, let this set. If you're happy with this, you know what is a Whimsical is really cool though. Let me see if I can show you something else. They are the fruit Whimsical collection from Glitz, and then it have a cupcakes. Easy. Show me some cupcake. And then I'm gonna do banana.